You know the most ignored part of your hair care? If you guessed scalp health or the scalp routine, then you are right. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Swati from Neuroots Bangalore. So today I'm gonna be talking about scalp health or scalp routine. So we do get patients, they have this buildup or they wash their hair once a week and then they complain like I'm too scared to wash my hair because every time I wash my hair I'm going to be seeing a lot more hair. So if you find your hair on your palm, it means that it has already been detached from the follicle, and you not washing at the right time with the right cleanser, it's only going to make it worse, because scalp health is the most underrated and the most important step. And if there is a product buildup, if there is sweat and pollution and a lot of accumulation, it's only going to make it worse and worse. So by choosing the right cleanser, you're going to make it actually much more easier. When I say right cleanser, I don't necessarily mean SLS or paraben free shampoos or anything like that. Try not to use too many products. At the same time, we have this different set of clients who keep aggressively washing all throughout. So what happens when you're not washing at the right time or you're excessively washing? There is an imbalance that is created, and over the time your scalp is too stressed by trying to maintain the oil secretion or a barrier. So if you are someone who is confused or you don't know how to maintain a scalp routine, you can always comment scalp routine or scalp hygiene in our DMs and we will take it from there. You can always get a deep analysis done of your scalp. First thing first is to know your scalp type. Is it dry or is it oily? And then choose the right cleanser, and also you need to time when to use the cleanser. And also you can do a basic active ingredient you can apply just so that it is clarifying. So you gotta take care of the clarification, you gotta take care of the antifungal part. There are a lot more involved. For a better assessment and for a detailed consultation, come visit Neuroots Bangalore. Thank you. Follow us for more.